Define and use names and formulas to easily understand, maintain, and reference data. You can define a name for a cell, table, or range. To name a cell, select it, then select the value in the name box. Type a name and press Enter. To reference this value in another table, type the equal sign and the new name. In this example, equals Frank Hours, and press Enter. If you want Excel to name the table or range, select it first. Select Formulas, Create from Selection. Designate the locations of the names in the range by checking top row, left column, bottom row, or right column. Select OK. Reference this table by typing the equal sign and the name Excel defined for this range. In this example, equals amount earned. Press Enter. Or type the equal sign and select Formulas, Use in Formula. Select the name you want to use and press Enter. To create, delete, and manage names, select Formulas, Name Manager. Change a name by selecting it in the list, then select Edit. Once you've changed it, select OK and close.